The wiring of the communication cable between the indoor and the outdoor unit. F1 was marked as green, F2 was marked as blue. Therefore, F1 will always correspond to bus A, and F2 will always correspond to bus B. So we can see here, orange is bus A and green is bus B. So bus A is orange, that's my lower connector, and we know that F1 was the green. So we simply push in our connector, slot in our cable, let go. That's one of the comms done. Bus B is F2, marries up with that. Simply find bus B is the green, push in the connector, push in your cable, let go. That's your common communication cable done. The other two cores are for the flow switch, which connect into CN1801 and CN802. So again, it doesn't matter which way these are wired because it's only making a circuit. So you can simply put the orange into the lower and the brown into the top. That's a combination of our communication cable and our flow switch now wired back in. When we're ready to wire our splitter box communication, this will be the other side of the flow switch, which corresponds to CN801, which I will do now. So again, we find our cables, CN802, so we know that's the orange. So we go to the orange connector block, put that in, and CN801 is our grey cable. So we simply push that in, and that is now completed our flow switch connections.